I'm just kidding, it's not heavier at all. Corsair tempered glass case. Gaming case. It says gaming case. Why gaming? What's the definition of the gaming case? Anyway, Corsair. This is the black grey version. Finish in tempered glass with a LED fan. I have my trusted knife. Let's open this baby. Let's see what's inside. Up cover. Is this upside down? No, it's not. Okay. We have something here. First, let's see what's in here. And here we have manual, warranty sticker. No, that's not the sticker, that's a piece of paper. Huge manual with pictures. Okay, we don't need this. We need to see the case. Have to be careful with it. Ta-da! And there it is. That's the tempered glass side. It is tempered glass. 5,250 grams. 5,250 grams. Okay, let's see it in close-up. Like you can see, can you see this? Unfortunately, this part is loose. Don't know why, some kind of manufacturing default problem. Default problem. Anyway, everything else is pretty steady. Only this part is loose. It doesn't matter. Let's see another side. On this side, we have a power button, which is very clicky, very nice. USB 3.0, that's very nice. USB 2.0. Microphone, headphone jack, LED notification light for the hard drive, and this is the reset button, very small. Okay, let's take the back cover. So what do we have? We have a huge hole. That's very nice. That's for the motherboard. That's very nice. Not too much space for the cables, like you can see. Not too much. Half centimeter. So the distance between the back cover and the plate is about half centimeter. Maybe a little bit more. Not too much. It's not. Oh, still standing. That's nice. Okay, so how do I... Oh shit. There's the LED fan. There is a dust filter under the power supply place. You can see very nice dust filter. I'm amazed how many features this case have with this in this price range. So the power supply goes on the bottom. Okay. A bit of cables, USB type, USB 3 cable, power USB, and this is audio. I think that's it. There's some ventilation holes on the top of the case. And there's something here. When you press it, it should remove the bracket for the hard drive. Who using the hard drive? Not me. This is the SSD era. The hard drive is obsolete, my friend, obsolete. But anyway, what's in here? Oh, there's a holes for it. Anyway, screws. I think the screws are here. All kinds of screws. Yes, all kinds of screws for the motherboard are here. We will not unbox this because those are only screws, nothing important. 3 brackets with 4 holes. Yes. Now let me power up this fan. Let's see how nice it is. Don't worry, the noise is not from the fan, it's from the other PC which I powering up this fan. That's what I am. Anyway, this is a very quiet fan. The noise is not from the fan, it's from the other PC. This is how the front look like. Whoa, dust, so much dust. Look, it's supposed to be a new case. Look, new case and it's full of dust. That's amazing. Let's measure this case. Unfortunately, I don't have a inch meter. I only have a centimeters, not inches. I'm in Europe, not in USA. So this is 18.5 centimeters. This is 18.5, of course. And in here, 18, half centimeter gone. But I measure it without the, you know what I mean. Now how high it is? 43.5 centimeters. Tempered glass. 39.5, 43. The dimension of the tempered glass. Now the window is 37 and 40. How deep is the case? Let's say is 17. Almost 17.5, almost 18. When I place it here, it's 18. So minus the board, which will end here, so you have barely 17 centimeters, barely. So it's not too deep. And here, power supply. We have 9 centimeters, 27. Yeah, how can I measure more? This is 15 and 38. That's the all dimension for this case. Of course, this bracket is removable. 2 screws from the other side, and it is easily removable, and 4 screws from the bottom. And on the bottom we have a rubber fits, very standard, and of course the whole metal body is pretty thin. This is a thin case, micro ATX, and ATX will fit this case. That's what it says on the plate there. Of course the plate is not removable. Conclusion: in my country this case cost $40. So in this price range, for $40, you cannot expect anything more. I think it's even too much. Tempered glass, dust filters. What do you want more for $40? I think it's a great case for small PC. I don't think it's for gaming. If you're serious with gaming, you have this huge RTX cards and SLI water cooling and everything. So gaming, I don't know, maybe Minecraft, yeah. It's a cheap case for cheap build. Nothing fancy will go inside this case. Oh, it will, I don't know. I will not put anything fancy here. I'll put some maybe new ryzen. New ryzen is a bit fancy, so I don't know. Nice case. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.